A welcome sign is built from two connected rectangles. The top rectangle has area 56 square centimeters. It is 7 centimeters tall. The shaded rectangle below sticks out 5 centimeters to the left of the top, and it is 4 centimeters short of the top on the right. The shaded rectangle is 6 centimeters tall. Find its area. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. Recover the top width first, then walk it down with the offsets. Start with the top rectangle. We know the shared side rule from before. Area divided by side gives the other side. 56 divided by 7 equals 8, so the top rectangle is 8 centimeters wide. Now walk that 8 centimeters down. The shaded rectangle sticks out 5 extra centimeters on the left, so we add 5. The shaded rectangle is 4 centimeters short on the right, so we subtract 4. 8 plus 5 minus 4 equals 9 centimeters. That is the shaded width. The shaded area is 9 times 6. That is 54 square centimeters. This is the carry the length rule. Same unlock as before. Divide a known area by a known side to reveal a hidden side. Find the top width first. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Then walk that 8 down. Add 5 for the part that sticks out. Subtract 4 for the tuck. Multiply by 6 for the shaded area. Same unlock, longer journey. Find the unlock first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.